In this video, I want to talk about how to make money without a job, some side income while you're transitioning to start your own home care business. And I'm going to be reacting to this video on American Income on Instagram. I just came across this video on Instagram, so let's get into it and I'll comment on this at the end.
Business.
And how much money do you make for you doing this?
We just cracked $1 million doing this.
Wow. And how long have you been doing this for?
I've been at it since I was 20, so 14 years now.
Now, what exactly is a courier delivery business? What do you deliver?
So you deliver anything that moves from point A to point B. That can be organs, medical specimens, auto parts. Usually, literally using your vehicle, taking things from point A to point B.
Wow, and you can make that much money doing this?
You got to scale up, just not you. If you were just in a vehicle, I could see you making $1,500 to $2,000 a week. But if you have drivers and subcontracting, then you can start scaling and growing.
Well, now how does someone get into this business and deliver these body parts, these organs? What do they need?
Well, they just need that car, valid driver's license, and insurance. So they can go start off on apps like Airspace, ABC Legal to deliver documents, or Curry to deliver construction parts. So these are some apps that you can download on your phone and get started immediately.
Well, how is this different from like DoorDash or Uber Eats?
Well, for one, DoorDash is food deliveries. That doesn't pay that much. Imagine you delivering somebody's kidney from an airport to a hospital. That's $400 or $500.
Now, if someone wants to do this, give us step by step all the things they need to do right now.
Right now, just have your car, make sure your insurance is right, make sure you pull your MVR report, go to apps like couriergigs.com or cbdriver.com. You will start to get contracts from those, start applying to those contracts, signing on, get as many as possible, and literally, let's get to work.
And no special requirements?
No special requirements. Sometimes you might need a HIPAA, so you go to integritydelivers.com, go get your HIPAA and bloodborne pathogen for those medical deliveries, and those certifications will help you just go to the next level. Courier delivery business.
Please go support Darian Myers. Go follow him on Instagram. I'll put his handle in the description of this video so you can follow this guy. And he's got some really good, he's onto something, guys. And what I like about the strategy is it allows for you to transition away from your full-time job. If you're a nurse, if you're a caregiver and you don't like your job and you're trying to make some side income so that you can start your own home care business. This is the perfect type of business to get into because you control your own hours. People still need these services. So you might as well jump onto this early before it gets saturated by people losing their jobs because of AI. There's going to be a bunch of doctors, a bunch of nurses that will lose their jobs at these hospitals or these major facilities. When they discover these kinds of platforms or these ideas, they're going to start flooding in. So you might as well jump in early when the money is still good. Because the biggest problem with a lot of people is time. Time is something you can never get back, guys. If you transition into something like this, it helps you in two ways. Number one, it allows for you to be controlling your time so that you're not spending 60 hours or 40 hours a week, at a stressful job. So some of you are doing 12-hour shifts. That's crazy to me. But with something like this, you can set up the right systems and you're not committing as many hours. That leaves you enough time to be doing your own thing on the side because you control your time. And secondly, it allows for you to get into spaces where you're able to meet different types of professionals, healthcare professionals. So for example, let's say you deliver, an organ. Let's say your company delivers an organ to a small clinic and you could get a referral that way for your home care business. So there's so many ways you can get so much value out of a business like this one and be able to sustain yourself without necessarily going to a 9-to-5 that is very stressful. Because it's not sustainable after a while. When you get to a certain age, you don't want to be working 12-hour shifts. No way. Follow American Income on Instagram. Follow Darian Myers on Instagram. Invest in whatever programs that he's selling. Invest a little bit of cash in learning what he's doing. Because it's going to pay off way more than a degree. Because college degrees are worthless now, guys. You better be learning skills on how to make money without a job from people that are already doing it. And he's already doing it. I hope you got some value from this video. If you're ready to get to the next level in your home care business, you are ready to learn sales skills. Because that's the number one skill that will never be taken away by AI. And also, if you're a caregiver, it means that AI will never replace you. So that means once you got the caregiver skills and you got sales skills, those two, rock solid. You will be making money despite all this AI nonsense that's going on. We're going through a revolution. You will not be affected once you have those two skills because you already got that one skill, caregiving. Add sales to that, sky's the limit for you. Schedule time if you're ready to get to the next level, and I'll talk to you soon.